CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5 Compare and contrast common types of input and output device interfaces. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless networking interface and peripheral device interface standard that was introduced in 1998. Bluetooth uses radio frequencies to transmit and receive data over a short distance of a few meters. That makes this wireless networking interface perfect for connecting devices that are relatively close together, like pairing your smartphone with wireless earbuds, a keyboard, or a portable speaker across the room. To establish a Bluetooth connection, start by opening the Settings menu on your device. This process is generally the same whether you're using a computer, smartphone, or tablet. After that, the steps may vary slightly depending on the device, but the general process is the same. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. This activates the built-in antenna so your device can search for and communicate with other nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices. Once Bluetooth is enabled, you'll be able to scan for available devices and complete the pairing process. Next, you will need to search for and select the device you would like to pair or bond with. Pairing is the process of establishing a Bluetooth connection between two devices. For the last step, some devices will use an authentication passcode for security. If used, this passcode will be displayed at the time the pair request is initiated. At this point, just enter the passcode to accept the connection. Once the pairing process is complete, and any required passcode has been entered, you're ready to start using the Bluetooth connection. But what exactly can you do with it? Bluetooth is a versatile interface standard that supports both networking and peripheral device connections. That's right, it pulls double duty. On the networking side, Bluetooth can be used for tethering, which means sharing an internet connection from one device to another. It can also handle file sharing, allowing you to transfer files between two Bluetooth-enabled devices. Just keep in mind, Bluetooth has relatively low data speeds, so it's not ideal for large files. As a peripheral device interface, Bluetooth is commonly used to connect things like keyboards, mice, speakers, printers, and even game controllers, all without the need for cables. As long as the devices are within a few meters of each other, Bluetooth makes the connection clean, simple, and wireless. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.